So I'm joined now by Florian. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, obviously, Dataiku was the one that formed this event and came up with it. Can you give me a bit of background on why you started it and what you're hoping people will kind of take away from it?
We started this event in order to connect to the broader AI community and actually make people aware that you can do AI in a different way, meaning also think about like the human aspect of it, meaning how can you actually build AI within your organization and put your organization in the way to AI, like with having a human touch, a human centricity aspect to it.
Excellent. So with the event today, what are the main takeaways that you're hoping people are going to take today?
Well, first to have hope in AI in the future, to see that others are doing great things, that everything is moving forward, and that you can actually build an AI practice within your organization by having everyone within your organization involved.
Excellent. So seeing as we're talking about AI here, how do we make AI, first of all, more accessible and also more likable and trustable?
I think the challenge is actually that people might fear AI, both short-term and long-term. The short-term fear is about, well, is it really for me? Am I ready to do it? Not sure. The long-term fear is like, what will it do? Will it be good for me? Will I lose my job because of AI? Will AI do evil things? And I guess a challenge is for organization to build AI practice, and the way they should do it is by reducing those fears to make sure that business people with knowledge have no fear of getting to those technologies by bridging the gap between technologists and non-technologists. And that's kind of like what we try to do at Dataiku.
Excellent. Yeah, do you think it's more coming from a basis of education from both levels so that everyone can see the benefits that AI can bring to them?
I think a lot of it is about education, but also realistically, education is a matter of a few years, if not of generation. Meaning, like, not everyone will get fluent in data and statistics and so on right now. So what you need to do right now in your organization is actually to connect people together. You've got people that understand very well what's the business context, what the product, what the challenge is about within a given organization. You also have like lots of people you can hire or that get in that have the knowledge in terms of AI and technologies and so on, but don't understand anything about product. And it's all about like how you put them together and make them work very hands-on on the same project.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Well, thank you so much for your insight today and giving us an overview. I really appreciate it.